What is going on, guys? It's your host, ElectricScooterKing, coming to you with a video about how I made my art outfit. Now, um, there's one more thing that I do have to add to this list. Everything will be linked below, and soon I will show a video on how I made the mask and everything. Put a lot of work into it, very proud of it, of how it came out. Just to show you guys real quick what it looks like. It looked like this. It was absolutely phenomenal. It came out great. Oh, also too, there's one more thing that I gotta add in. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about how I did it. So, number one thing that I did was I took this mask right here and I took the hair off of it. So, definitely need this mask for the hair. You could get hair in the Santa outfit. Just depends on how you want to do it. Um, this mask that came with this one, this is one of the ones that I used. And you could use that for another art outfit. The great thing about this mask is that after you're done cutting the hair off of it, you can actually use it for a kid, if you want to use it for your daughter, whoever. It's a really small face on it, and if you got a big head like I do, it's not going to fit well. Unless you got a little head, then it'd be perfect. So it is nice. You can reuse that, which is nice. So um, here is the face mask that I bought. I will be upgrading this year. I did use some Temu clown shoes, but I'm definitely going to get these this year and paint them black. There is a axe. If you guys want to find a better axe, you can. But pretty much all I did was I bought the Santa suit, right? I bought this mask. I bought this outfit. It doesn't matter which Santa suit you use. I would say use this one just because it's more accurate. You know, it's a lot darker red. These ones are going to be like a really light red. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Here's the fake blood, all that. But I'm gonna make a video on how I did it, and that will be coming soon. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All the accessories will be linked below. Go ahead and check it out. If you guys buy with my links, you'll be helping me out, so I'd appreciate that right here if you guys see it. So, but yes, buy these things, and then I'll have another video soon on like how I did it. I'll tell you a little bit right now. I took this mask that came with this, and I pretty much cut like this whole headpiece right here out. To the point where it was just the mask. I glued the hair on it, and the hair actually covers these straps right here, which is nice. So, yeah. And the outfit I'll be doing this year, I'm probably gonna wear my art outfit. I got both outfits, either this one or the other one. But here's a little teaser right here, so you guys can check that out. But yeah, it's gonna be great, man. It's gonna be great. Um, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna make another video, just show how the mask is broken down. There's two more things that I have to add on to here, and that would be a fake Santa beard. I would get the kid Santa beard. It's gonna be all updated right here on the bottom, so there's gonna be more products. Um, the fake Santa beard, and what else was I thinking? That's pretty much it. Just the fake Santa beard. Because you get the Santa outfit, you get the mask, you get this mask, you make it look nice. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in to the first Art the Clown episode. I'm going to have another video showing how I made it. But yes, thank you guys for everything. Appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for your patience. Been going through a lot of life recently, but I am now back. So this is Electric Scooter King signing out.